Warm welcome to all. The match between Lions 11 and MKF. Both teams are very strong and both teams played their first game. MKF lost the first game and Lions 11 won the first game. Vasant is going to hold the first over and Anu MC is in the crease. Anu MC is in top form. He scored 70 plus run in last game, but in that game MKF lost. But he is very aggressive player and was also a very good bowler. Let's first ball of the match. Oh, long on. It's a 6 run in the long on. Nice start for team MKF. Anu MC hit a 6 in first ball of Vasant. Second ball. Again, same result. Short ball, trying to bowl a short ball, but Anu MC is very good with the short ball, so over the leg side for a 6. Back-to-back 6s for team MKF and Anu MC. Planning between the bowler and captain. Asandi is going to bowl the third over. Again, same result. One of the specialty of the match is both teams contain so much player of RCC Nekkad. RCC Nekkad is hosting the match. So, and the legendary players for RCC Nekkad, Bijoy, Anandu, Danish, Vasant, Nidish, so many established players from RCC Nekkad playing in two teams, so that's a good fight because everyone know them each other and the ground, so we can expect to witness a interesting match. Big wide ball, and one of the most interesting fact is that there is two pools, A pool and B pool, and a single. This is the third match of pool B, and pool B very tight competition between 4 teams in pool B, so we don't know who will progress to next round. And Bijoy, first ball, Bijoy is out, outside edge, and Bijoy is out. One of the well-established batsmen in RCC Nekkad. He departs without scoring a run. He is promoted up in this innings. Last match he is promoted and he played in middle order, but now he gets a chance to score runs and promote to top order, but unable to find a run, so he departs. We need the captain come in the strike, and Anu MC is in the strike. Anandu Devan is going to bowl the second over, or reverse sweep and it's a dot ball, and connect the ball properly with the back. Dot ball. Nice start from Anandu. Planning between Vineet and Anu. Anandu is played against Anu MC in various occasions. Oh, it's a no ball.
Only number.
The climate is very good, so we can witness an excellent match. Oh, Andu bowling very well for his team. They need to win the match to ensure the spot in the playoff. Oh, a single, and we need back in the strike. He is a very aggressive batsman and he is well known in this locality. All over Kerala he is very popular. Not Anu, not Vineet alone. Anu, and 6 runs. 6 runs straight. Anu, Vineet, Vasant, Anandu, and many more. So many established players in both teams, and bit up in the drop a catch. And it's gone for a 6. Back-to-back 6 for Vineet. This ball is just a 6. I think fielder have chance to take the catch, but he failed to collect it in the hands. Oh, swing and miss.
And green dot ball.
In this match, Lions 11 won the toss and they elected to bowl first. That surprised me because in this tournament, except one match, all team won was batting first. So if you get the toss, you should bat first. But in this match, after getting the toss, after seeing all the result of winning the first batter team, the Danish elected to bowl first. That surprised me a lot. And next over, Wengi to Anu. Last match, last ball victory for the chasing team. So chasing this ground in this tournament is very difficult. Oh, swing and miss.
Yes,
So I don't know why he chose to select to bowl. Up in there, chance for a catch and goal.
Yes.
Amal take the catch
Icons
and
player departs.
departs. Uniform batsman Anu MC departs. There's a big blow for the team MKF, but lot of batsmen going to
New batsman.
come to bat. Naiju is the next player. Vinith is on the strike. %100 is a good total in the ball, so they are planning to achieve something around 100 or 100 plus. Wengi to Vinith. Full toss, using full toss, 6 run in left side. Very good batting. If you bowl full toss to Vinith, he will definitely, because he is very talented player and he has good time with the bat. Just a single and Naiju in the strike.
Striking it in Naiju.
Good comeback from Wengi after conceding a 6. Wengi is also a well-established player. He plays for so many teams in so many various situations. In there, chance for a catch and goal. Danish take the catch and Wengi strikes again. Naiju back to pavilion without scoring any runs.
Next batsman, Arun.
Arun Nandu is the next batsman. He is also a good hitter. And Vinith back in the strike because of the cross. So wait for the next ball. We are extremely sorry that we are unable to telecast that ball. It's a wicket of Vinith. So Wengi strikes again and Vinith back to pavilion by scoring 20 runs from 7 balls, including 3 sixes, and over completed. Nidish is going to bat. He is the next batsman, and Vasant is going to bowl the next over. Arun Nandu is in the strike. Vasant, the icon player, one of the icon player of Team Lions 11, is planning the field for his bowling. First ball of the over. Nice Yorker. It's a dot ball from Vasant in the first ball of the over. Second ball of the over. Flicking leg side and chance for a catch. No, this means if you try a little bit more harder, this will be a catch, but it's gone for a 6. Nice batting from Arun Nandu, scoring a 6 from the deadly ball of Vasant. He's very talented player, Arun. Third ball and third ball. Good comeback from Vasant after conceding a 6. Fourth ball of the over. Vasant to Arun Nandu. And bow! This time gone. The ball goes through the leg side and hit the middle stump, and Arun Nandu departs by scoring 6 runs from 4 balls. Vasant strikes again, and very good comeback from Team Lions 11 after conceding so much runs in the early overs. They are come back strongly. They are trying to restrict the Team MKF under 50 or 60, so they're very trying hard. Vasant to Sumesh. Sumesh is the next player. Bowls a dot ball. 3.5 overs, 49 runs. Oh, swing and miss. 4 over completed. 49 run by loss of 5 wickets. Sumesh and Nidhish are in the crease. Both batsmen are not scoring any runs yet. Danish is going to bowl the 5th over. Most expensive player of the team. Oh, it's a low full toss and single run with the leg side. Nidhish, nice pass. Nidhish is also a very experienced player in this ground and played against these players, so he will definitely make an impact in this match. Danish to Sumesh, second ball. Oh, swing and miss. Sumesh is trying hard. He is not score a run from 3 balls. Again and 6 runs leg side. Gone for a 6. After 3 dot balls, he strikes a 6. Good comeback from Sumesh. He contact the ball very well. Oh, swing and miss. He's trying to hit all balls in the same area, but only connect one ball. All other 3 balls are swing and miss. Again, swing and miss. He's only trying to hit the ball, not to connect the ball properly. Oh, say left side, single left side, single on the left side. And Sumesh keep the strikes. Danish end a good over, only consider 8 runs. 5 over completed, 57 runs for 5 wicket loss. Next over is going to bowl by Wingy, and Sumesh is on strike. Now the run rate is very down comparing to the early stage of the innings. First ball and 6 run, single run, and Nidhish back into the crease. You strike. Wingy to Nidhish. Wingy is very experienced player, so he know exactly where to bowl. A dot ball, and yes, exactly safe. He made a dot ball in the second ball of the over. Third ball, again changing the length, changing the bounce. Strike his bell to restrict the batsman to scoring runs, and I think it's a slow ball. He can't get enough timing to hit the ball properly. Short ball and say first balls and dot ball. Nice play. This match is very interesting. Oh, and a single, and Nidhish take a strike. Just 2 runs in the over. 6 over completed, 59 runs for loss of 5 wickets.
Next ball.
Last over is going to bowl by the player Ashik.
കഴിഞ്ഞ കളിയിലെ മികച്ച ലാസ്റ്റ് ഓവർ ബൗൾ ചെയ്തിരുന്നു
6 over 59 runs. Maybe under, they're trying to restrict the team under 70, so Ashik is going to first ball. Oh, it's a 6. After so much dot balls and singles, they score a boundary. Well batting, very good batting from Nidhish. We know Nidhish have the caliber to hit 6 in the area, all areas in this ground. Oh, Yorker delivery and just a single runs. And Sumesh in the strike. They are very happy to get runs in the ball in the later stage of the innings. And oh, leg side. He tried to his over leg side and gone for a 6. He tried his maximum. Very good try by the player. Offside. And it's a single. Well, very good fielding by Danish.
What a brilliant fielding by Danish.
Danish is a very good fielder.
Single runs.
So he saved 3 runs for the team. 5th ball of the over. And stop ball. And just 1 ball remaining. 6.5 over. 73 runs in the ball. And chance for a run out. And goal. Sumesh Nidhish scored. And 7 over complete. 74 runs for loss of 6 wickets.
73. JK
Very good batting
74.
from the team. After the batting collapse, they
74 run.
tried very well.
75.
And we are going to this exciting second innings. The bowling department of MKF is very strong. So they have the powerhouse bowlers to defend these runs. Vinny is the key bowler for Team MKF. Vinny have the experience to bowl against various established batsmen and he is the best bowler in so many tournaments. So we are going to witness exciting match. The match between legendary players from RCC Neckar. Anandu Devan and Amal Kichu is the opening pair. Anandu Devan versus Vineet. What an exciting competition. Amal Kichu. We must mention Amal Kichu because he is the unsold player in the auction, but because of one player's unavailability, Amal Kichu is joined this team and he is very happy and he showed us his caliber in the first match by hitting so many sixes. So he's now opened the second innings. Full toss, oh no ball and 6 runs. What a start from team Lions 11. 0 ball, 7 runs and a free hit ball is coming. You should play. Oh, full toss ball and single. Again no ball, back to back no balls. What are you doing Vineet? Without any ball. 9 runs in the ball. What a start and what a bad start from Team MKF. They are considered 9 runs without any ball. The umpire is showing parts where he landed his foot and the first ball of the over. 6 runs. 15 runs in the first over. What an over. And what a start from Team Lions 11. They are chasing a total around 70 plus, so they get the good start for the match. A wide ball. He is in under pressure and a wide ball. 16 runs. Only 1 ball. Oh, nice Yorker from Anandu. Against Anandu from Vinny. Single. Amal Kichu.
Excellent comeback by Vineet.
Nice comeback from Vineet after conceding so much runs in the early stage. Very good comeback from Vineet. Single run. Anandu strike. Anandu. Oh, it's a short ball and a dot ball. Nice comeback from Vineet. Oh. Single in the leg side and Anandu keep the strike. 1 over completed, 90 run without any wicket. Amal Kichu 7 runs from 4 balls. Up in there, first ball Ashik to Amal up in there and gone. Ashik strike in the first ball. Very good bowling by Ashik. Ashik is very talented player. He know where to bowl, what's the length, what is the line and what's the bound against each player. So Ashik strikes for the team. Dangerous player Amal Kichu departs. Second ball and up in there, back to back. Yes, what an over, man. 2 dangerous opening pair departs. 2 informed players, Amal Kichu and Anandu is departs. What an over from the player Ashik, a legendary player You should remember his name, Ashik. He strikes back-to-back balls in the his first over. I think Anandu and Amal is after a good over. They should settle a little bit to take runs. They will try hardly to hit sixes after a good over. So that's the main problem of the team. Up in there, chance for a catch. And gone. 3 wickets in this over without considering a nice bowling from Ashik. He is in his life, form of his life. 3 wickets in an over without scoring any runs. He is changed the game for his team. Very, very good.
Oh, thank you.
And Vasant, the icon is in the middle. At an over from this Ashik. He is playing his role very well for his team. Oh, 4 wickets in an over. What are you doing, man? Legendary bowler. You are a legendary bowler. Taking all the important wickets of the team, Lions 11. First ball, Amal Kichu departs. Second ball, Anandu Devan departs. Fourth ball, Bengi departs. Fifth ball, Vasant departs. What an over. And others take the single. Others, new batsman, take a single. Just 1 run in this over. 4 wickets. What an over. Game changing over for his team. His best, maybe his best over in his entire life. What an over, Ashik. You are a genius. 2 over completed. 20 runs for 4 wickets. We need coming to attack. Others to first ball, dot ball. What a comeback from team MKF after conceding a huge run in first over. What a comeback from the team. Back-to-back dot balls. Lions 11s are in deep trouble. Maybe they are well set at the early stage of the innings, but now they are in very, very big trouble because they lost all their 4 main wickets and they are in deep trouble. And one leg by. Vinny is very happy that his team is doing very good job for his team. And all the entire supporters of the MKF are very happy. All team are very happy. Oh, it's a no ball and it's 2 runs. It's a no ball and 2 runs. One and Vinny lost the opportunity. Free ball is coming. Swing and just a single. Very good bowling from Vinny. Doing his job for his team. 5th ball of the over. Dhani up in there. Chance for a catch. And Dhani first. The hope is almost ended because another recognized batsman, an informed batsman, Dhani departs by scoring just 1 run from 2 balls. This match should be interesting match because all the match situation is varying in each ball. First over, the match is all the favorable of team Lions 11. Now it is almost favorable of team MKF. And so white ball. Ambu is the next batsman. Ambu also a good player in this ground. We need to Ambu. Oh, and a single run. And Ambu back to strike. Ashik is going to bowl the 4th over. The man in form, Ashik, to bowl his 4th over. He is in 4 wicket. Can he get a 5 wicket haul? Oh, say leg side, a single. Ambu change the strike to Ashik, to Adarsh. Ashik. Oh, dot ball. Nice bowling from Ashik. Dot ball. He is in a deep form. What a bowling, Ashik. You are a legend. What a bowling. Under the big pressure after conceding so much run in the early overs by Vinny, MKF flying back through the wings of Ashik
Patrick versus Newman Macron. Captains, please.
and set single run, a leg by, and last ball of his over. Can he make a 5-wicket haul? We all are waiting to he's take the milestone. Last ball. Oh God! What a spell! Ashik 2 overs, just 2 runs and 5 wickets. The spell to remember in his entire lifetime. He alongly take the match back to the team MKF from Lions 11. Lions 11 are very strong batting lineup, so the one-man show from Ashik take all hope from
Newman Macron.
Lions 11, and they are going to seal the victory. What a play from Ashik, the legendary player, the legend, one of the legend born in this round, in this tournament. We all are very happy to see such a performance. And Nidish, the next bowler, first ball, it's a single. Nidish to answer just a single. Nice bowling from Nidish. First ball, just a single. Nidish to Ashik. And Apiri. No, it's a dot ball. Up in the air, chance for a show 6 runs. After a long gap, they score a 6. I think they are trying to close run to reduce the negativeness of net run rate. So they are trying hard. And Yorker delivery and just a single. Just a single. Nidish is bowling in good areas. Single runs. Very good bowling from Nidish. He is restricting the team by scoring boundaries and a dot ball. And end of the innings, 5 over completed 37 for 6 wickets. And they need so much run to win the match. So who is going to bowl the next over? Sujit is the next bowler. Sujit to Adarsh, 6 runs. Adarsh strikes. He is giving hope for his team.
11 ബോളുകളിൽ ലൈൻ സിറ്റി വിജയലക്ഷ്യം 32.
Oh, it's a white ball from Sujit. Vinith is coming and give advice to Sujit. Second ball of the over and a dot ball. He hit the ball back to the bowler. Dot ball and a white ball.
+1.
Wide and single. Oh, chance for a catch. No, nice fielding from Nidish. Just 2 runs. He's nice fielding. He saved 2 runs for his team. Very good batting from Nidish. Fielding from Nidish.
ആദ്യ ബോൾ 6 നേടിയെങ്കിലും സുജിത്ത് വളരെ again white ball.
It's a white ball. So much extras are in this over. It's a white ball. Swing and miss. Dot ball.
ബോളിന്റെ മികച്ച ഒരു തിരിച്ചുവരവ് വലിയൊരു ശ്രമം.
Single run.
Single
Leg
run.
side and
Striking ending info batsman Ashik.
Ashik is the player to face Sujit. White ball
Again
and
white.
2 runs. Total 3 runs.
വിട്ടുകൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്
Last ball of the over. 5.5 overs, 53 run, loss of 6 wickets. And George, 6 over completed, 53 run, loss of 6 wickets.
6 ബോളുകളിൽ
And the last over is coming.
അമ്പയർ പ്രതികൂല
Sumesh is the player to bowl the final over. Bowls a no ball, fast ball, no ball, and a single run. Oh, Sumesh carefully bowled. Sumesh is the replacement of Saji. Saji is unable to take part in this competition, so Sumesh is chosen by the side for play his team, and he is using his opportunity very well. Free ball. Oh, dot ball. Free ball, dot ball. Ashik can use the advantage of the free hit ball. Second ball. Swing and miss and a dot ball. Swing and miss and it's a dot ball. And hit the ball and a single run. Adarsh in the crease. Full toss ball and 6 runs. Fourth ball of the over, 6 runs. Nice batting from Adarsh. He's 20 runs from 90 balls. Up in there. Oh, nice. Oh, maybe it's a 6, but nice fielding from Arun and other keepers. He saved a wicket. Saved 6 runs and get a wicket. Nice batting. And last man, Arun Lal. He's in last ball of the match. Yes, and MKF in the match. What a victory for the team. In this victory, we should say thank you for the player Ashik for his excellent spell. Thank you, Ashik, and all the best team MKF and team Lions 11.